Namaste and welcome to Charlatan Chakshu. Today we will have a look at the top 5 largest cruise ships in the world. So let us begin with number 5. And at number 5 we have the Norwegian Cruise Line's Breakaway-Plus class. This class is made up of the Norwegian Escape, Norwegian Joy and the Norwegian Bliss. The builder of these ships is Marivic. Maximum capacity for this class is 4,004 passengers. Maximum gross tonnage for this class is 168,028 GT. The gross tonnage is a non-linear measure of the internal volume of a ship. Moving on to number 4. And at number 4 we have Royal Caribbean International's Quantum class. This class is made up of Ovation of the Seas, Anthem of the Seas and the Quantum of the Seas, and 2 more ships are planned. The builder for this class of ships is Marivic. Maximum capacity for this class is 4,905 passengers. Maximum gross tonnage for this class of ships is 168,666 GT. Moving on to number 3. And at number 3 we have MSC Cruiser's Marivic Liam class. This class consists of the MSC Marivic Liam and 1 more ship is planned. The builder of this class of ships was STX France and Europe, but now it is acquired by Chantiers de l'Atlantique. Maximum capacity of this class of ships is 5,714 passengers. Maximum gross tonnage of this ship is 171,598 GT. Moving on to number 2. And at number 2 we have IIDA Cruises Excellence class. This class is made up of the IIDA Nova and 9 more ships are planned. The builder of the ship is Marivic. Maximum capacity of this class is 6,600 passengers. Maximum gross tonnage for this class is 183,900 GT. Well. Finally, let us have a look at the largest cruise ship class in the world. And at number 1, we have the Royal Caribbean International's Oasis class. This class consists of Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, and Symphony of the Seas, which is currently the largest cruise ship in the world, and 1 more ship is planned under this class. The builder for this class of ships is Chantiers de l'Atlantique. Maximum capacity for this class is 6,680 passengers. Maximum gross tonnage for this class is 228,081 GT. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to check out the whole new series called Largest. Chakshu over and out.